Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Vizio Smart TV remote. So we're basically just going to go through all the buttons real quick and show you what they do. So the first button that you have is this upper right hand corner button, and this is going to power on or off your TV. Across from that, we have the input button, and so this is going to change the inputs on your Vizio Smart TV. So for example, if you have your Vizio Smart TV that's on, and we press this button here, it's just going to cycle between different inputs on your Vizio Smart TV. Now, the next few buttons that we have are shortcuts that are already enabled on your Vizio Smart TV. So we have shortcuts for different apps like Vudu, Netflix, Amazon, iHeartRadio, Crackle, and Zoom. Next, we have the exit and menu button. Menu is basically the same thing as the settings option. Then you have your keypad here. So this is going to go up, this is going to go down, left, right, and then OK. We have a back button, we have an info button, we have a closed caption button. So if you're watching a series or movies and you click this button here, it's basically going to add subtitles or captions so that you can read along with what's being said on TV. This center button here is the actual Vizio home button. So once you click on that button, it's going to take you to the homepage of this smart TV page that you see right here, where it shows a bunch of different apps. Now, moving on from that, the next few buttons that we have are the increase and decrease in volume, changing the channel. We have a return button. We have a mute button. Then we have the number keypad. And then we have a movie aspect ratio button, and then a minus, and then the 0. But that's essentially it as far as how to use your Vizio Smart TV remote. Depending on what model of TV that you have, your remote might look a little different than mine, just because mine's a bit newer, but a lot of their buttons or functions do overlap. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Vizio Smart TV remote. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.